Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Centerpoint local and long-distance movers near me. A reliable and cheap Centerpoint moving company will ensure your belongings are well protected. 3 Movers is an experienced team ready to handle your local or long-distance move. We provide the right movers for the job. Our team has helped many types of clients, from veterans to students to renters to homeowners to business owners. Moving to another state or country is very expensive and time-consuming. If your goods are not properly packed, they can be damaged or lost during transit. With our help, you don't have to worry. We offer the following options. Packing services. We provide complete packing and unpacking services for all your items. Moving supplies. Our stock of moving supplies gives you everything you need to protect all your things throughout the move. An on-time move. With us, you get a crew that shows up at the scheduled time ready to do the work for you. Upfront pricing. We offer a complete and accurate pricing quote before you hire us, so there are no surprises. Licensed and insured. When you hire our team, you can rest easy knowing your things are fully protected throughout the entire move. We provide everything you need to make your relocation easier. It's already hard enough to move to a new city. Let us make the actual moving process easier by taking the hard work off your plate. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Centerpoint moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, local moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.